So here we are. It is Saturday, the 1st of August, and today we have the Canal Parade, which is the big parade in Amsterdam for Pride. And I am super excited because, again, it's been a while since I was able to watch it because I've always been working on Saturday, but now I'm off. And I am going downtown first to do a little bit of shopping and then walk around and show you a little bit of the Canal Parade. So, happy Pride! So I just finished my shopping and now I'm walking to the parade. I'm supposed to get some friends there. They must be waiting for me. And I see that there's already a lot of people gathered around. And this is why I brought my selfie stick, because usually I cannot see anything because it's too crowded. Okay, I just found my friends. They are sitting in this cafe here. So the parade didn't start yet, so we have to wait a little longer. Olha, encontrei os meus amigos. Oh, em inglês. I just found my friends. Look at them. Felipe and Osvaldo. Ozzy. And now we are going to walk and check the parade. Welcome to Pride Amsterdam 26. Olha ali o povo, todo de calças. Everybody's getting ready for it.
Muito cheio esse ano, hein?
Wow! Welcome to Amsterdam Pride. And dançar. Nossa, quanta gente! Look at this crowd, guys. Okay, for the very first time this year, they have built some bleachers here, and everything is closed, so we cannot go on the other side. But it looks really nice, very well organized, but unfortunately, we couldn't get tickets to get in there. But I think it's going to be very beautiful. Okay, we're going to have to go all the other way because the boats are not there yet, so we're going to walk a little bit more and try to get to the other side to see if we can see something more, because here it is really crowded, so it's a new thing. this organization, because there's a lot of places that are blocked. You cannot go in. It's already a lot of people, and it's very hard to see the parade. And then there are places where you were supposed to be and they are locked, and I don't understand why.
Oh, Monto was niet uitgenodigd.
Olha só isso. Look at this. Okay, the parade is still going on, but I think it's time for me to go home because I have a lot of other things to do. What? Oh, okay. So now I'm going home, but the parade is still going on. But anyway, it was super cool and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and happy Pride!